We want that sucker to be all the way on negative 32, guys.
Yeah, we went through 15 bags already.
We done already went through 15 bags. I just asked Cindyology to buy another 5. So we're gonna go ahead and invest in us an ice machine. So when every time we go ahead and come to the track, we already got an ice machine inside of the we're gonna do an ice machine inside of the golf cart. Or I could just try to see if I can fit one in the trailer, guys. And every time I make a pass and snatch a soul, the ice should already be ready to be remade, guys. They said they trying to figure out. She taking that big old bag made me feel like I got some responsibility. Yes, guys, we want that supercharger ice cold, guys. We want the supercharger real ice cold, guys. We got extra intercooler tanks with extra pumps to go ahead and make sure this water is pushed all the way to the front. We got a Stewart pump with an extra computer tune in it, guys, and a ice tank for PNC welding. Those guys are some great guys, and we got this Stewart pump here. Pumps lots and lots of water.
Boy, ain't no Stewart pump.
What is that? It looks like one. I thought that was Stewart. Oh, it is? Oh, about to say.
Yes, man. Whatever you say it is.
Yeah, it's a Stewart pump. Yeah, right now we about to show y'all this another neat trick that we got with a Milwaukee brushless motor drill in order to get this water out of this ice tank and replace it with some ice.
Tell me when.
Now.
Look at that.
We got Miss Cindyology over here helping, getting everything orchestrated, guys.
She takes the village.
I don't know how he gonna hold all that ice, y'all. All that ice gonna have the supercharger in the front. Talk about good Lord. Let me see something, man. Man, I don't know how he finna fit all this ice in that tank. Oh no, they ain't finna put all of it, y'all. I'm tripping. I'm like, how you finna do that?
What?
Put all this ice in that tank.
Sometimes we do.
He talking about sometimes we do.
Yes, sir. No.
Hermes, I'm bringing the other bag. I need to go over Demon Knowledge in their house early one morning. I wonder what time I have to wake up in order to be at Demonology house early in the morning. Miss, what time you think I have to wake up in order to be at y'all house before you cook? I'm over there, East Dallas.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Probably 45 minutes.
Yeah, 45. What time you usually have the food ready?
9:30.
9:30, so I gotta leave around 8:45. Okay, I'm gonna think about it, miss.
You're not gonna get up.
I will get up. I will. I'm gonna have to wake up at about 8. She always making pork chops. Yeah.
Ma, you know what's crazy?
Okay, who we got right here, man? Ooh, I bet she. I
I'll do some biscuits and gravy.
Because you look black.
What happened?
Like 3 shades. But your eyes are red.
Oh, I want a hug too. I can get a hug. No, here you go. This is my YouTube channel, y'all. Look Out Racing. It's going down like Fernando Diaz. Yeah. Drink on him, Kansas. Hey, look out, y'all. My cash app is Look Out Racing. Hey, look out, man. They told me one, I don't know which one it is. They said, y'all, they said one of y'all, I need to let them know my cash app. Look Out Racing. It got the number, money sign in the front, and then Look Out Racing all the way across, no space.
All I need is cash app for.
Yeah, they say one of your homeboys got that money, be sending it. You on my
I
YouTube?
wish. Shit.
Oh, it ain't you. It gotta be you then.
I'm broke as fuck.
Damn, he broke as fuck, y'all.
Shit,
Oh, it ain't you?
I'm moving cross country
Oh, you
in
is?
3 days.
Where you gonna go?
Florida.
Florida? What you gonna do out there?
Got a job working on airplanes.
What? You know what you doing?
Shit, they sending me through the training, so.
Okay, he finna go through the training, y'all. You know Stapleton 42?
Nah,
Okay, okay.
I've only been to Florida once, but
Yeah.
they were like, hey, we'll pay you to come out here, train and work out here.
So they just felt like you was a hard working.
Well,
This is my YouTube channel,
They know
man.
my uncle and
Oh,
my
okay.
grandpa's been working for the
See,
company.
your
for
uncle
years.
now. Okay. Got his uncle and his grandpa up there, yeah. They didn't put word in. Oh yeah, my freaking grandson, he can knock it out.
Yeah, my family's got a decent name
Yeah.
in that company, so.
Yeah, what's y'all last names? I might know some of them.
Nah, we're from a small town in Italy.
In Italy? For real?
Like 15 minutes away.
What?
Population about maybe 1,200.
Population 1,200.
My graduating class is 38 people.
What? Well, nothing to do over there. You got kids?
Nah, not yet.
Okay.
Or shit, not that I know of.
Oh, okay. Did you know anybody that flunked over there in that area? Like, what grade was you in where you first seen somebody flunk? What grade you was in?
I was a sophomore.
I don't think I know anybody who might have flunked.
Colton, right? Oh, no, he graduated with me.
Yeah, Nate graduated with you.
What about that tall guy? That really tall guy? You remember?
That tall guy.
No, he went through finish line.
Damn. Hey, is it any black people over there in
Yeah.
Italy? Oh, it is?
Oh,